Hello, in today's video we have this BMW, it's a 3 Series, and what we're gonna show today is the procedure to adjust the parking brake. Since this is a manual transmission car, most of the time when it's parked you have to use your parking brake, but as you guys can see, if I apply it, it goes all the way up, which is no right. And also the problem is when it's applied, the car's still moving if you push it, and that is a sign that the parking brake needs an adjustment. Now we have the tire, we have here the braking system. The interesting thing about the BMs is basically we have two systems in one. We have our caliper here, which are this brake system, but also inside of this disc there is a system which emulates what it used to be in all vehicles, the drum braking system. And the parking brake works with the internal system. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna kind of like draw an imaginary line, a vertical one, and pretty much at 30 degrees rotating backwards or against the clockwise, we're gonna line this hole here, and we should be able to see this. Now this is an adjuster to adjust the parking brake, and what we're gonna do now is with a screwdriver we're gonna spin that kind of like tiny gear in this way. So basically as soon as the screwdriver goes in, it's gonna be from up to down, up, down, up, down, to make a spin like this, and that will adjust the parking brake. This procedure needs to be done in both sides. Just for the sake of the time, I'm just gonna make it in this side, but as I said, needs to be done in both. Check how loose it is right now, and is how the disc and how it's gonna be. Alright, seems to me that this is enough. With the tool, I can move this thing. With my burly hands, I can move it too. Not as easy as it used to be, so that to me is enough. Now, I have to repeat the same thing in the other side, is what I'm gonna do. But this is pretty much all the process that we have to do. I just finished to adjust the driver's side, and I just want to clarify something. The way in which I have to spin the adjuster is the opposite as in the passenger side. That being said, in this side it needs to be like going from the bottom to the top, the spin of the screwdriver from the bottom to the top. Alright, well, after the adjustment, let's try the parking brake. So you can see a difference right away, and that's pretty much it. I hope this video is useful for you, help you to save some money, and if not, let me know your comments if something was not clear, and thank you. I will appreciate if you click on like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.